So guys, today we'll be riding dirt bikes. We're going to the pits. Okay. So, Nick, go close the gate. We gotta go down the train tracks. Oh crap! It says road closed! It's closed. What should we do? Go? Wanna just go? Huh?
I think that means that there's a tree down.
Well, there's cars coming from there, so let's just go. Hello. Hopefully there are no new trees down. I don't think we can go this way. Oh my god. It's never this bad. We gotta go around. Not the river, the whole thing. Turn around. Then we're gonna try and get lost in the trailer. Okay, here are the trailers. I've only been here a couple times and I have no idea how to get up. if there's nothing else that will get in our way. Dude, the river is like 30 feet wide or 20 feet wide.
That's why you don't go down the
I know,
river.
I didn't think it was gonna be that bad.
Did you go through the trailers or
Yeah.
the river?
The trailer.
I'm gonna go check the river out when we go. We'll go through the trailers and then we'll take a right into the river.
Made it around the big tree, and now we're going to the pits. My brother got stuck, so now I'm following him instead of Michael. Just to make sure he's okay. Hopefully there's not another big tree down. Oh God. Oh no, there's not. We're good. Michael stalled.
No, this thing just hit 4 RPM. No,
There it goes. I'm usually a lot faster, but they confronted me, so I have to go slower. Oh God!
The whole trail is flooded.
Oh, we get around it.
Oh, there's an outside one that's kind of rough. Or we can just walk through the middle.
No!
It's not a flood.
No, dummy.
Alright, I'll try and find a way around. Okay, we made it. And we're almost there. We made it. Yay, we made it. Haha, you fell. And this is the pits. This
What the
sucks.
hell just happened?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
This is not the best day to ride.
Oh my God, I know, dude. I came in like really fast. Hit the corner and watched it. It kicked me right off.
Good for you. My goggles are broken. Because they're ski goggles.
Ski goggles?
Yeah. Okay, this is the pitch.
Oh my God.
Okay, so we got a fire going. Don't mind that. That's none of your business. Yeah.
Leave water canister.
We got the fire. There's a bunch of water down there. Put the pencil in.
I just did.
Yay! It's gonna smell bad.
Oh, I know. What? I didn't hold it.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Michael's gonna ride with the GoPro. Goodbye, Michael. Have fun on your journey.
Okay, thanks. Hopefully I don't run into any falling down trees.
Okay.
No, I'm not like Kenny. I don't talk while I'm doing it. Plus, you probably can't hear me over the noise of my bike. So loud. Holy crap. Woo! Got a little air there. See how the main jump's doing. Yeah, it's not too good. It's a little flooded out here and all warmed down. Yeah, it's all warmed down from all the rain and stuff. My back brakes are not working. Oh. I completely forgot about it when I went to go on the ride. And not gonna lie, it sucks. Not having back brakes. Oh, that's good.
We just put a bottle of Axe in there.
Just copy me?
Yeah. Oh, we gotta back up. This is loud.
Yeah, remember when it almost hit Patrick when he was just about to hit the jump a while back? So meaning it can go far.
It's really loud.
Go to here.
Yeah, I know. That was.
Yes.
I don't know if I got that.
I think I got that.
I hope I. That I love doing that. It's still in the fire.
There. Oh, that might
It
be a
smells
problem.
bad. Yeah, just get it all out. Nick, stop swearing.
I'm not gonna lie, that was awesome.
That was epic. Oh my god. I really hope I got that.
I think I did.
That was nice. Alright, let's see if I get on my phone.
And secret trail, right? Instead of bombing through the probably foot or 2 feet deep water.
Yeah, we'll go to the secret trail. See you when we're at Michael's house.